জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Dr. Prakashi. Yeah, Dripto Basu speaking. Do you remember me?
Dripto? Well, I can't recognize you. Who are you?
Topobroto Basu is my father. He used to take me to your chamber after my mother's demise. I wasn't able to accept that my mom died. That's why I received counseling sessions from you for a long time.
Oh, yes, right. I remember.
Topobroto Basu. Yes, Dripto.
Deepu, right? So, how are you, my son?
You actually sound worried.
What happened? All okay?
No, doctor. Nothing is okay. Can you please help me? I need your help.
Sure, definitely. Tell me what's the problem.
I'm on my way to your clinic. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. You may come, Deepu.
Okay, thank you.
You please don't keep quiet, Mr. Basu. I can't tolerate your silence anymore. I want a clear answer from you. Do you want Dripto and Trineni to get divorced? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Divorce?
Yes, divorce. Mr. Topobroto has planned to separate Dripto and Trineni for life by signing a paper. Am I right, Mr. Basu? This is what you want, right? That your son Dripto disowns Trineni for whole life, am I right? You were absolutely right, Mr. Umacharan. Even I could not recognize this man to date. He and his family members, all of them want to throw Nain out now from their house.
No! I don't want Trineni and Dripto to be divorced. I don't want that! Trineni won't be Dripto's wife anymore if they get divorced. Dripto's wife is his protective shield. Who will protect him other than Trineni?
You're absolutely making no sense.
Let me explain everything to you. Please don't misunderstand me. I really wish good for Trineni.
Oh, what did my daughter-in-law tell you? You don't need to bother about her welfare. Tell us clearly what you want to say.
Look, I want Trineni to remain as Dripto's protective shield. But no one should have any clue that Trineni is protecting Dripto. That's why Dripto needs a wife.
What did you say? What did you say? Nain and Dripto won't get divorced, but you'll get Dripto married to some other girl? What do you people think? Tell me, do you think there's no law in this country? How many lives will you ruin, Mr. Basu? How much will you lie?
Mr. Karmakar, I really don't have any other choice. Everyone knows Dripto's wife is his protective shield. Moreover, according to my will, Dripto's wife will get the entire property. Therefore, whoever wishes to harm Dripto, first of all, he will target Trineni first. they will kill the protective shield first. Then there will be no problem in doing away with Dripto. I can never let Trineni face that danger. I can never. Therefore, I have decided I'll get Dripto married again and move the focus away from Trineni. If there's a new life, the enemies will concentrate on her and Trineni will protect Deepu from behind. In that way, I can keep both Trineni and Deepu safe.
Get out! Just get out of here!
Doctor, I'm Dripto Basu and my father is Topobroto Basu. I was the one who called you.
Deepu,
Yeah.
right? Have a seat. Sit. Tell me, what's the matter? What brings you to the old doctor here after so long? What happened?
No, actually, I've come here as I'm in a big trouble, and it's only you who can help me. It was you who counseled me and taught me to accept my mom's death. You helped me to accept my new mom.
Yes, so what? Are you facing any problems with your stepmom, Deepu?
Not at all. My stepmom is more than my mother to me. She always protects me. But the problem is very different now.
Tell me what the problem is.
Okay, doctor. Can anyone know beforehand what's going to happen in the future? I mean, is that possible?
To predict what happens in the future? I mean, are you talking about the future prediction?
Yeah. Suppose there's an accident. Okay. What if someone predicts it before it takes place? I mean, is it possible? Can anyone do that? Suppose a car catches fire. Can anyone predict it before it happens?
Sorry. Is there a new movie released on this topic, Dripto, recently?
No, doctor. I saw it myself.
Who inserted all this kind of nonsense inside your mind? What is it? Deepu, are you in love with someone like that?
I can't tolerate you even for a moment. Get out! Get out of here!
Please calm down, sir. And please think over what I have said.
Grandfather, don't let father go away like that. Even I'm not able to understand what he's saying. Still, he was the one who protected me like his daughter for the last few days.
Is this a joke? My granddaughter will be hiding being his wife and someone else will get the status of his wife. Tell me, does that make any sense?
Well, I very well know that what I'm saying is wrong. This doesn't make any sense. Maybe I would have reacted in a similar way if I had a daughter. But how will I protect both Trineni and Dripto? I can't find any other way. Believe me, I'm saying this for their welfare. I can never keep Trineni away from Dripto anyhow. Therefore, if you permit, then Trineni can stay at my house as a refugee. People will know she's no more Dripto's wife, but a housemaid. Trinani can stay in my house as a refugee. She's no more Dripto's wife but a housemaid. Promise me, if you can save the boat from drowning, then you will marry my son. Trinani can stay in my house as a refugee. She's no more Dripto's wife but a housemaid. She'll be a refugee.
Oh no, Nayan. So will you be a housemaid now?
Mr. Tarun sir,
I feel like throwing you out of my house right now! Shame on you, Mr. Basu. Shame on you. That means you only pretended to love Nayan up till now.
No, Mr. Karmakar.
What now? Had you loved her like a daughter, you couldn't have imagined making her a housemaid. I consider Nayan my daughter. Shame on you, shame on you. Whatever you are trying to do, you are thinking only about your son. You don't have any sympathy for Nayan, Mr. Tapabratao. Mr. Rumacharan was damn right that time. You are such a selfish and a fraud person, Mr. Basu. You thought only about your son, Dripto. You tried to use Nayan's powers only for your son's benefit. You did not love Nayan at all. You never respected her. Shame on you.
Do you recognize this man now? He dared to do this because we are poor. Could he do that if Nayan belonged to a rich family? He couldn't have done that. No, 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 no. I won't let Nayan stay here for a single moment. This entire city is polluted. The water is polluted. People's minds are polluted. The air is polluted. Everything is polluted. Nayan will die if she stays here. I'll take her to the village. Nayan! 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 Nayan!
Nayan!
Nayan?
Nayan! Wake up, my child. What happened to you?
Nayan!
Nayan!
Nayan?
No, she's not related to me. Trinani means nothing to me. Believe me, I don't believe in all these things at all, just like you. But I witnessed it myself.
Calm down, calm down. How can you witness that? That is impossible. Look, what you have witnessed is a coincidence, my son. Anyway, don't ponder over it. Go home.
Why don't you understand? The car will catch fire. Get down, please.
Really? Like, sure, this is not possible.
There is no explanation for it in science. Moreover, you hail from today's generation. All these supernatural powers, miracles, do you believe in them?
No, look, I don't believe in all those things, but the way she gets involved with me,
Why are you letting her get involved? Are you in love with this girl?
No, doctor. I don't love her. But that girl follows me like a ghost. She's haunting me. Doctor, I can't stop thinking about her.
You have to do something. Fall in love with some other girl, Deepu. Get married, get married. Mark my words, once you have a wife, you won't think about any other girl. And listen, stop thinking about all this nonsense. Go home and get rest. Ask your father to find a match for you. Nothing has happened to you, Dripto. You're absolutely fine, okay?
Well, doctor, your fees.
Thank you.
I'm leaving. No. I will not think about her. I will not think about her.
Nayan, open your eyes, Nayan. Open your eyes, my child.
Nayan, open your eyes, Nayan.
Nayan.
Trinani,
Go away! Go away from here. No one from your family should come near my daughter. Nayan,
Oh my lord, what happened to her?
where did you go? Where did you go? I had asked you to be with Nayan, Kumu.
How strange is this? She's a grown-up girl. Why should I guard her all the time?
Yes, you should. You will have to guard her. That girl is concerned about everyone. Why can't you show a little concern for her? Why? Why?
I've got water.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Sure.
Nayan. Nayan, wake up, Nayan.
Wake up.
Open your eyes, Nayan. Father, why did she faint all of a sudden? Did she hear anything? I wonder why she is so unlucky. She got married. I thought she would have a happy life. But her marriage proved to be a disaster.
There you go. She's conscious now. Help her to sit. Yes.
Get up, my child. Get up. Be careful.
Sit and relax.
Get up
and
slowly.
take some rest.
Come here. Relax. Hey, how are you feeling now?
I hope you don't have a headache now. Are you feeling dizzy?
Nayan,
Nayan,
do you need some water?
until now, I used to think only Dripto hates me. He wants to push me away. You also want to do that today, Father? I cannot leave you alone, Dripto. I'll have to be with Dripto wherever he is. If he leaves home,
I will also follow him.
The way she is getting involved with me,
Why are you letting her involved, Deepu?
Mister, give me a bottle of water. What do I do? What do I do?
Fall in love with some other girl, Deepu. Get married. Once you have a wife, you won't think about any other girl.
The biggest problem is that Trinani is still my wife. And that's why I can't stop thinking about her. By any means, I need to make sure that she's no longer my wife. I'll do whatever it takes for that.